In this tutorial I will show you how to post your template on Capcut app. First open up your Capcut app and create a template that you want to post. Then export the video. So to post your template on Capcut you need to be a pro editor or a regular editor. If you're not one of them, you're not able to post your template on Capcut. If you are one, you'll be able to see an option that says share your post as template. If you are not a regular or pro editor, then you could only share your template on one of these given options like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook or TikTok.